Peace and blessings, family. We are celebrating our 20th annual Unity Walk here in Mobile, Alabama at Lyons Park. This event will take place September 12th, 13th, and 14th. You do not want to miss this celebration. Now, we're talking about unity for our community, and we are asking you to come out. We need volunteers in a variety of areas. When they're talking about exhibits, food, children, we're still looking for artists and those who are still interested in being a part of the music on Sunday. But basically we need volunteers and a variety. We're going to have many exhibitors here. We need to help set up, we need to help break down, we need to help with many other tasks, we need to help with parking. So there's many other tasks that need to be filled. And you can give me a call at area code 251-533-3311. If you want to volunteer for any of the areas, just give me a call.